Hi there! So we finally have the newly launched Xiaomi TV X series. This is a 50-inch 4K variant and comes packed with features. Now since a lot of you guys have repeatedly requested, I've made this exact same video in Hindi as well. If you want to see that, you'll find the link for that video in the description. Alright, coming back. So this X series is Xiaomi's budget 4K smart TV offering. It sits a notch below the Xiaomi TV 5X series and it still retains most of the premium features. It comes with Dolby Vision, it comes with Patchwall, it comes with Android TV 10, 30-watt sound output, MEMC and a lot more. Let me share everything about it, the good, the not so good, so you can decide if you should buy the Xiaomi X series or not. Let's begin. So here's everything that you get inside the box, starting with the two stands. Now these are plastic stands but extremely well built, solid and come with this nice glossy finish. Rubber at the base so it gets a good grip on the table. Then you have the power cable, you have the screws to mount these stands to the TV, you have two AAA batteries for the remote and finally the legendary Xiaomi TV remote. Really nice minimalistic design, Bluetooth remote, power button on the top, Google Assistant button, you have the D-pad to navigate, Patchwall button, back button, Android home button, shortcut keys for Netflix, Prime videos, Disney Hotstar, apps and the volume up and down button. Now if you want to mute the TV, you press the volume down button twice. Really simple, functional remote. Now sadly there is no wall mount bracket provided in the packaging, so if you want to buy that, you'll have to pay 500 rupees extra for that. The TV comes protected with this cardboard piece to prevent any kind of damage to the display. However, you don't have to worry a thing. The Xiaomi technician will visit your home and set it up for you. Now we have placed this TV on the table and you can see it comes with a very minimalistic clean design. Super thin bezels, which we usually call bezel-less design, and completely blends in with the panel. The frame is super thin and made of metal, giving it a very premium feel. The bottom bezel has a glossy finish with Xiaomi badging in the center. Here are the dimensions of the 50-inch TV, 46 inches in length and 26 inches in height. It will be helpful if you're planning to wall mount the TV. Moving towards the back, the whole body is made of metal too and it's very well designed. No seams, just a single piece along with the TV's frame. The bottom section is plastic housing all the ports. The power port is towards the left while rest of the ports are towards the right. However, some are on the side while some are below. On the side is a one USB port, 3.5 headphone jack, 3 HDMI 2.1 ports and a secondary USB-A port. Then towards the bottom are LAN Ethernet, optical, AV composite and antenna. So firstly, very smart port placement. Most often used ports are on the side while the rest are below. Also the side ones are easily accessible even if the TV is wall mounted. The bottom ones not so much. Then two separate USB ports are always convenient because try fitting two pen drives on a dual USB port. It's not fun. And finally HDMI 2.1 with eARC support. So you can pass through Dolby Atmos to supported Dolby Atmos soundbars. Just perfect. Let's have a quick look at the specifications. So it comes with a 4K VA panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. 2 GB RAM with 8 GB internal storage. It comes with Dolby Vision and HDR10 support, MEMC support, Bluetooth and dual band Wi-Fi support, ALLM for console gamers, 30-watt sound output with DTS Virtual X, and it's running Android TV 10 OS. Alright, let's straight check out the display. So this is a 50-inch variant and comes with a VA panel and the color reproduction is pretty good. The Vivid Picture engine assures accurate colors and tones. It's not oversaturated but more tuned to look natural with a hint of vividness. The 4K panel shines when it comes to sharpness and clarity. Trust me, it's a huge upgrade if you're coming from an HD TV. The display also gets bright enough, helps enhance every detail. Now Xiaomi doesn't share its TV brightness levels, but I can tell you it's more than sufficient. In fact, also during daylight in well-lit rooms, it's bright and clear with minimal glare. Check out this demo video. It shows the bright whites and deep blacks in the same frame. The contrast levels of this TV are pretty impressive. Blacks are really nice and deep. The viewing angles are not the best, and that's kind of expected from every VA panel. There is a shift in color if you see it from an angle. but it might be not as drastic unless you look closely. But remember, the more you sit in the center, the better the viewing experience. Then it also comes with motion smoothing, and by default it's set to standard in the settings. It works pretty well and it's ideal for watching sports content and documentaries. It's smooth with every frame looking crystal clear. You can switch to the smooth mode if you want it to actually look even more smoother, but I say stick to standard, it works very well in every scenario. Then we also played some 4K content from our pen drives, and all those videos played without any hiccup. MKV, MOV, MP4, all these formats are supported on the default media player. By the way, we also played YouTube videos and they played at full 4K without any lag or stutter. And we all know there is tons of content on YouTube that you can watch in 4K. It's amazing. Then we also played some content from the set-top box. SD channels that you're seeing right now are very much viewable and clear. Considering there are a lot of set-top box channels that are still available only in SD, the experience on the new X series is pretty good. Now SD channels are almost perfect, very crisp and detailed. If you watch a lot of HD channels, it's going to be a very satisfying experience. A quick look at the user experience. So here's the new Android TV UI, very similar to the Google TV OS. Content carousel on the top. Then there's an apps row below where you get Netflix, Prime Videos, YouTube, all these come pre-installed. And below are content rows from multiple OTT apps. So overall it's very smooth and responsive. Didn't experience any lag or stutter. Then in the settings, in the about section, you can see the TV is running Android TV 10 OS. Having Android 11 would have just been better. Then let's check out the storage, and out of 8 GB, we get 4.4 GB of usable space. Then in the apps tab, you can see the apps that come pre-installed. Then it also comes with Miracast, which is the best app if you want to mirror your Android phone to the TV. Here's a quick demo. As you can see, it's very smooth, there's no lag since it connects over direct Wi-Fi. Now if you want to mirror a video, that too from your phone, it plays perfectly smooth. However, keep in mind that Miracast works only with Android phones. Then it also comes with Alexa support. Set it up scanning the QR code. And once you're done, you can control this TV using your Echo speaker. You can ask it to turn off the TV, you can ask it to launch apps, you can mute the volume, you can even change the volume. Everything is very handy. All you need is an Echo speaker. However, keep in mind it doesn't come with hands-free Google Voice Assistant, which the Xiaomi TV 5X has. But then Alexa is here. Then Play Store is built in, from where you can download over 7,000 apps and games. If you navigate to the entertainment section, you can download all the popular OTT apps like Sony Live, Z5, Apple TV, Voot, and so many more. Now if you go to the Games tab, you can find games that are specifically designed for the Android TV. But remember, some of them might need a gamepad to be played, so we paired our Bluetooth gamepad to the TV. By the way, you can also pair your favorite Bluetooth earphones or headphones to this TV and enjoy the audio wirelessly. So we played Asphalt 8 and it was quite smooth and very much playable. A few drop frames here and there, but if you have a gamepad, the experience is really fun. It won't match to a console level, but still pretty decent. Coming to my favorite part of Xiaomi TVs, Patchwall, and we can see some nice upgrades to the interface. You can discover tons of content here from multiple OTT platforms. Gorgeous carousel showing trending content. Then there's an app row with all popular apps. For the recommendation list, then you have free to stream live channels, recently added, movies by language, most watched content, movie collection and show collection. Then in the header title, you can see more content on movies, TV shows, live tab, and here you can find 90 plus live channels. Then sports tab, kids content, and finally music. You can find the user center in the more apps on the home page. Here we have the Mi Home app integration. You can control other Xiaomi and Redmi devices directly from your TV. The Xiaomi robot, you can start cleaning, you can see the charge, and similarly you can see all other devices that you can control from the TV itself. So Patchwall has come a really long way, and trust me, this is one of the biggest reasons to check out the Xiaomi TV. It's an experience like no other. Now talking about apps, we did check out Netflix and it's really smooth and very well optimized for this TV. Lots of Dolby Vision content here, and you can even spot the Dolby Vision logo on some of the supported titles. It's a joy to watch Dolby Vision content. This format gives you the true movie watching experience. Rest we get the Google Voice Assistant on the remote as well. You can ask it for the weather, you can ask it general trivia questions and even launch apps using the remote. Coming to the audio. So it comes with 30-watt sound output with DTS Virtual X. Remember to go to the sound settings, DTS Virtual X, and here make sure you turn on DTS Bass Enhancement and also DTS Sound Virtualizer. Now this will take the audio experience to the next level. You can also turn on DTS Dialogue Clarity while watching movies for clear vocals. Time for a quick demo.
Take out that assault vehicle.
So 30-watt audio is more than impressive considering these are just TV speakers. The DTS Virtual X truly changes the experience. Firstly, I'll say they're loud. Secondly, it's clear. And thirdly, and most importantly, it's also got pretty good bass. Of course, it won't be like a dedicated soundbar, but still I can safely say that the X series is pretty solid in the audio department. It also comes with Dolby Atmos support. Not natively, but it can pass through Dolby Atmos through supported soundbars using eARC. Now, some of you might ask what are the differences between the Xiaomi TV 5X and this X series. Here are a few. So 5X comes with 16GB storage while the X series comes with 8GB storage. 5X comes with hands-free Google Voice Assistant while the X series doesn't. Dolby Atmos support natively on the 5X while only pass through on the X series. 5X comes with a photoelectric sensor that gives support to adaptive brightness, while the X series doesn't have that feature. The X series is perfect for those looking to upgrade from a full HD or an HD TV. They don't want to spend too much, this is just going to be perfect. However, we don't have the price at the time of making this video, but the X series will surely be priced more aggressively compared to the 5X. And considering the features it's offering, the X series is definitely worth checking out. It will be available in 3 sizes, 43-inch, 50-inch and 55-inch. All are 4K TVs with the exact same specs. I'll share the price, availability details and the purchase link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.